Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HiPad Max and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening your browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and then let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on the history, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites. And of course, if you want to, you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to the website. But if in your case this list is too long to do that, I highly recommend to tap on Clear Browsing Data, because here we've got some basic and advanced options. And in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies, site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will remove everything. What is more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, all time or last 4 weeks. Then let's tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed actually everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.